it's time to issue some commands to our units. So first I'm going to left click on a single drone over here. Drones are our worker units. Now in the bottom right of the screen, you can see there's a square here with some buttons on it. This is called the command card. The command card shows you all the commands that are available for the unit you currently have selected, or the units you currently have selected if there's more than one. We can look through this list of options, and I'm going to left click on the move command, which is here. Left click. And now that I move my mouse back to the center of the screen, you can see it looks different. It's not a green arrow anymore, it's a yellow circle. That's because the game is waiting for me to select where I want the drone to move to. I'm issuing a move command, I need to say where should the drone move. I'm going to just say over here, I'm going to left click to issue that command. Left click. And the drone heads over there. So the move command lets you move units around. If I left click on the move command again, and select another location, left click again, and the drone moves. If I left click on the move command, but then I right click rather than left clicking, nothing happens, the drone doesn't move. When I'm in that selection mode, and I right click, that cancels the selection rather than choosing a position for the drone to go to. We also have another option for moving drones around. Instead of left-clicking on the move command, we can just right-click on the ground without ever having pressed the move command button. So right-click, and the drone heads right there. Right-clicking is often taken as a sort of shortcut command. The game will guess what you want to do if you right-click based on what you have selected and what you are right-clicking on. For almost all units, right-clicking on the ground means move to this location. Now we're going to use a different command on the drone, and that is this one, the gather command, because drones, our worker units in this game, are how we gather resources, and we need resources to build other things. So if I left-click on the gather command, if I just left-click on the ground, then the drone just walks over there as normal, nothing really happens. It's effectively the same as if I'd used a move command. But if I left-click on the gather command, and then left-click on some of these blue crystals, the drone will head to the blue crystals, and will start mining them. The blue crystals are called minerals. Minerals are the main resource in StarCraft. We're going to use them to buy almost all the things that we make. So you can see the drones going back and forth gathering these minerals. Now I'm going to select another drone, and I'm going to use that gather command again. Except, rather than left-clicking on the gather command on the command card, I'm just going to right-click this drone on the minerals. Just as right-clicking something on the ground caused it to move to that location, right-clicking a worker on minerals causes the worker to automatically mine those minerals. Remember, right-click is a shortcut sort of command. It guesses what you want based on what you're clicking on. And now I'm going to select these other two drones the same way we saw in the previous episode, and I'm going to right-click on some more minerals over here to get the last of our workers mining minerals. If you look in the top right, we have this blue crystal picture, and next to it a number, and that number is going up. That number is how many minerals we have in our bank ready to spend. And it's going up because the drones are mining minerals for us.